I get to mention one item for orders 128 of this one. Sorry, sir. Yes.
Yes, this is content matter, content matter lawsuit. Any date lawsuit. First, since 1 year.
You know, I have applied for listing of a case. Look, this was supposed to be listed in the month of March, but not listed till date. But the pertains to my appointment to administrative assistant in the establishment of BC office. No, then, you know, in the next week, we'll any date. Next Monday, madam. Available. Monday is a holiday. We will not. Wednesday. Madam, that if June item 24 of the day, they will be given a passover for a day. Item number 2024 year old. First day. There will be obliged. Like to mention a matter for withdrawal. Subject to law. I pay for listing of a matter for additional healthcare laws. That I just promoting in Assam matter.
Yeah, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention WPC for listing, Your Lordship. Next, any day, Your Lordship, next week, Your Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship. And documents for listing of WPC. Compensation down upon the Lordship. And next week.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray for the listing of the matter, WPC 6891. Lordship, can it be on Wednesday,
Next week.
next Wednesday? Obliged.
Lordship, kindly allow this matter for listing. Listing, Lordship. When? Any day. Next week.
Listing of a writ petition, Your Lordship, any day next week.
I've been 24 when the matter was respected for this court. On that day, this court had granted final opportunity to the petitioner to appear and argue the matter. Despite that, petitioner appeared to be there is affirming that the petitioner should no longer interested to prosecute the petition that this will be prosecuted. If I am preparing for only of my RDB, let's see this. Definitely recommend. Then I will record only one name. RDB. RDB Linux CBC. Oblige. Petitioner. And the petition was filed for the details of the directions contained in what I dated 15/12/2023 passed by the Legislature in the petition number 287/2019. This content petition has been filed. As against the statement made in the petition, issue notice determinable.
Your Lordship. Case relates to compulsion and appointment. At the time of father died, he was minor. As soon as he major mother, he applied for compulsion appointment. But they have filed repetition also. After repetition matter, they dismissed the petition claim of the petitioner matter. That is page 31.
You are aware of the latest judgments on this point?
There is another judgment in the year 2020. In this case also, it is stated that 1 year for minor at the time of major, 1 year is granted. It is
She doesn't want dismissal today.
Huh?
Dismissal or another day. So we should
Supreme Court decision is there. As you Lordship, please.
Claim rejected by the office. You are appearing from? Is B. Goran and Johnny. No, you are standing council agriculture. Between three as well as Mr. B. Goran, we are asking to be in the state. And state
Yeah, nice.
Okay. Yes. For this, for the intelligence of the Honorable Court, my lord, the petitioner is a given person, my lord, and he is the intelligent, my lord. We have to issue notice of this. I wish I will further inform you that this Mr. Perrin General Blake in the petitioner is agreed due to his launch of the category of then the reserve category of persons with physical disability. Not fixed according to despite being eligible for employment for the period of not category of one pay and five. What is your name, please? Huh? Hello, Jane. And Mr. Alok Gill and Mr. Sunil Section. Correct phone number? Four. Establish a meeting in the state district. Right. You want to ask the instruction for short form. Much. The key was the name something MCHSC raised for further harmonic study for students. Lots of gathering. Gathering, not a part of. Obliged. Worksheet is a matter relating to insertion of my name in the pension book of my husband. Worksheet, the photograph which was attached in the pension book, we'll find that page number. You are appearing for whom? For respondent 1 to 4. Yes. Why are you not inserting the name? Worksheet, any notice name is good. Notice, your Mr. G. Kaushik. Or Mr. G. Kaushik, many thank you. The distribution will agree due to inaction. Is part of the activity. In the failure to insert the name of in the service book in pension stroke pension book of a deceased husband, election will not in the retired employee under the BSNL of the Mr. B. Hazarika, we have to be part of it. If we be part of it, I will tell you something BSNL. Getting to the electronic things for the then the participant extra popular belief you are refusing to be
made to the lordship. My lord, on the last occasion, my learned opinion from the Assam State Agricultural Marketing Board was directed to obtain instructions on a query which was raised by the Honorable Court relating to, my lord, how, my lord, this policy of the government pertaining to, my lord, offer given to the employees, regular employees for VRS, and the subsequent notification which came up, my lord, which is put to challenge, has deviated. The policy had, my lord, the options for the, my lord, the employees for redeployment, and that particular options for redeployment was approved in the cabinet meeting, my lord. And we have annexed the copy of the approval of the government, my lord. May kindly come to page 55 of my writ petition, my lord. Wherein we are regular employees, my lord.
1 minute. What is the instruction?
Regarding the redeployment will be discussed. It was not clear in the minor. And it is 10/7/2024.
His case is that you have compelled him to go accept VRS. He didn't want to accept VRS.
We are not compelled them. As per instruction also, the scheme for the VRS is accepted by the police lordship. Out of, we have police lordship, have 754 employees. Out of 700, 450 are already applied.
So where is the application of the petitioners?
That's it.
What is the application made by the petitioners for VRS?
They have not applied. They have not applied.
Then you can't send them to VRS.
Also, we have not sent them.
It is voluntary. If they don't,
Okay, kindly allow some time. Also, as per instruction, they can allow some time. It will be fresh before the next cabinet also. It is my instruction.
cabinet or whatever, if a voluntary retirement scheme is always voluntary.
That's it.
You cannot compel anyone to act voluntary retirement. You can't.
It's the decision of the cabinet.
Whoever decides. Cabinet decision, the court cannot
No,
interfere.
Lordship, I am not a member.
We will
Okay,
interfere.
some time is required.
Interfere.
Lordship, some time is
What
required.
Mr. Ignorant and Council of Foreign-
The government takes some
That
time.
is the amendments made to the petition. According to the petitioner, they have been compelled to accept the voluntary retirement scheme. And there was no such decision on the part of the petitioner. It's a immediate management council. Assam State Cultural Marketing Board, even for the application, have been continuing the successful instruction, yet complete instruction is still available. That's a. That's what the good place
After 12 months.
in view of the above issue, information mechanically included. Since in fact. Who's the one? The D one and the other one.
I am for silence.
Two, three, and four, you are appearing as semi-council. Semi-council four?
My lord, may I claim that on last occasion, we were protected by an order of the.
With regards to the petitioner.
Of course, my lord, we are not going beyond that.
Whatever is there, we
It's
are
been
extending.
extended, my lord. I'm highly obliged. Deeply obliged.
But you can't do it, you tell your client.
I
Just because they don't know what to do, that doesn't mean they can do whatever they think.
yes, but
There is a way out. Tell them to get proper legal advice.
I'm obliged.
Otherwise, we'll interfere.
Lordship, I
Much obliged.
Ignorance of law is not a excuse for even the government.
cabinet.
Obliged, much obliged.
Yes. Here the petitioner, he retired on 39/2017 as executive Indian. Now the petitioner is claiming the retirement. Yes, 4 years plus. Almost around 6 years. DP.
And when the report is not yet completed by the government, but CM residents.
But then we have to watch it.
Notice may go lordship bills.
Watch it then. Already there are decisions, inordinate delay. The ground to first department. Everything. But it says another max to next 1 year. Whatever, but the notice has to be issued. But as Mr. You know, when you come to the- it's kind of like this, the risk petitioner is a literal employee. Serving in the public works. Department. He is reviewed by the fact that despite 6 years have been determined, almost 6 years have been determined. The pension of the petitioner is not instituted on the ground of termination of the petitioner. The minutes against that. There have been inordinate delays in considering the departmental proceeding, which is a valid ground first to proceeding of the teacher Sharma and PWD in the other hand pays for something. Second September 2024, since Ms. Sharma has accepted notice and we have listed members.
1 and 2.
And we will be, Mr. A. Chakravarti, and we are some. And. We are some. Here is the article. It's coming. Coming council to accounting. It's a accounting. Except for the institution. It will be doing. Facilitating disposal of the restriction at the stage of admission. Gabriel. Sorry. Yes.
The labor for judgment, then they have to repetition. They will only lordship. I have annexed 5 page 42.
So notice has to go. Because back wages have not been paid. Notice has to be. Not useful. Clear. Telling the honey. If the petitioner is accused due to non-implementation of the award has been never demonstrated. I think payment of 50% of back wage. So, you can do learning, common education. There is CVC paying.
It is Russian, this matter relates to translation conditional Russian.
Covered case.
This is covered.
Then there is a lot of delay, you have to explain.
Lordship coordinate pensions dismissed on the ground of delay.
That's the problem. Why haven't been sitting 2018 letter? Then issue notice and protect. I heard so council for the judicial training. Judicial council for me, this is covered under the previous ordinance. Mr. Mr. By contending for this speech. Delay and lecture.
All the
Will not entertain this petition. Please, Anna. Here, there is another one. Outside the meeting. But this matter relates to the completion appointment. After the death of my husband, management committee hospital appointed me considering my future as a temporary, my lord, on fixed pay rupees 2,000 per month. Now it has been enhanced to 6,000. Death of your father when? Which year? Beg your pardon? Which year your father died? Husband. Husband died which year? 2007. I was appointed 2008 by the hospital management committee, considering my pitiable condition. And I have been approaching that for completion appointment because it is temporary. Then, my lord, as per the Honorable Guwahati High Court judgment, the DLC has considered my case and directed to the executive engineer, water resources, which is the consider my case. Which is an auspicious date for dismissal, you tell us. We'll issue notice and fix it on that. Notice go. This was, my lord, your lordship will appreciate what he, a sweeper, my lord, who lost her husband, and considering her pitiable condition. Doing compassion and appointment is not a matter of right. Yes, I know, madam. It is a equitable welfare scheme which is to be given immediately after the occurrence. Whatever be the reason. Your lordship has whatever be the reason. Immediately it never taken place. That is the problem. Whatever be the reason. You have to, the person has to. And for they have appointed. Immediately could be 1 year. Temporary basis by the management committee. She has come after 25 years. No, that's I think, but the continuing process is going on. And DLC has considered my a good date for dismissal. We can will put. I will. The divide of the petitioner is the rejection of the the courts will the petitioner. Minus for 2 and 4. For number 2 and 4. 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's 7. Question the maintenance of the issue. These are basically constrain the environment. You have from Google, you have from 7. Different. This matter relating to dismissal from service units. We'll issue notice. Notice. That Mr. Vijay Bora will be function training. The execution is directed into all the execution. 15/11/2020 and the execution order dated 2/5/2022 by the appeal rejecting the appeal. But taking the grounds. My lord, I'm open for 1 to 5. 6 notices to go, man. Private. You're standing, you're government advocate, government application, you're government.
Thank you.
Obtain instruction, that's the allegation. And I would let's do this. If not, Mr. B is going to there is the revenue. Considering the nature of events. This could be the NHL.
Or as one number 2 and 3.
Preliminary inspection as to the veracity of the allegations made in the copy of the police to Mr. Bora.
Abor.
Bora. And it's during the course of the book, in the moral and next is the
Lordship, clear matter, Lordship. Absolutely. This,
This case along with application number. This is the other two,
4128,
item number,
item number 10, Lordship.
you write, have this also in public. Very carefully.
Yeah, on behalf of Mr. Saida.
Same thing. Please tell them. Thank you.
Hamlet.
What is the order? It is 5/3/2026.
Minus the similar order is that page 42 minus the available portion. That's
Is this matter covered under the order? It is 5/3/2026.
Their prayer is for re-engagement,
You answer the question. Is it covered? Yes, covered.
but not for re-engagement.
You are appearing for him.
What else?
Any other counsel who is not understanding the question of the.
Lordship,
He's saying it is covered, but it is not covered. It doesn't make any sense.
Lordship, in that,
So where is Mr. Aramdas?
Lordship, it's not in the court now. Lordship, in this order, Lordship, because, asked to verify their appointments, Lordship.
I need as the counsel for the petitioner. To submit that this petition is covered by the order dated 5. That's why the money is given in the petition, right, Internet Department of Policy. Answer the questions of the court. Yes. I asked you something, you answer something. Yes. Few pages of the, if you want to take it up. You kind of, on the request for Mr. Pai. When do you want to witness to? One more.
Lordship, here we are challenging the disciplinary order and appeal order of a central bank employee.
Condition notice. Not Mr. D. Jalan, something for the, any government. It is an investigation. Obvious community. Dated 31/5/2026, passed by the disciplinary authority, as well as the order dated 11/7/2026, passed by the authority. Suggesting the accused. Passed by the disciplinary authority, including the measures and punishment of compulsory retirement fee service. As well as the order dated 11/7/2026. Suggesting the accused. Not to include the. So, initially, until
One, two, six, seven.
Lovely, sir. Lordship, my senior is in the another portfolio, so the matter may be possible for time. Bless you.
Yeah, we will see. Network pertains to my lord selection and appointment, my lord. So though the petitioner is selected for the post of Mavla, my lord. He is not selected by the respondent authority, my lord. Respondent number 6 will be appointed, my lord. Petitioner is not selected. my lord. Because there is nothing in it. You are underage. And I know, my lord. As per advertisement, requirement, age is my lord 30. Already clarified, my lord.
That is the government waiting. Everyone will be petition is that either she got selected for attainment to the post of Gauna. Which village?
Amguri place. Lucknow, 30, under CC Borga, Revenue Circle, Ahmedabad.
Yes. No appointment order was issued in the ground that she was underage. In the date of submission.
My lord, it is clarified, my lord, regarding
You want
this,
the
my lord.
final order today? Mr. President, Mr. Bond, Mr. Every person for the petition, concerning the appointment of the school master has been rejected by properly considering the petition. So what person will submit? You are saying to the
Number 1.
not the one.
One. May I question for interim order?
May I say interim release is the considered.
Apply.
Hearing on behalf of party. Please on next month.
Yes, but if he comes before the other board is finished, then we take up other, we'll adjourn. it. Yes. That's right.
Maybe. In this case, Lordship, the petitioner is the mother, Lordship, who, and her son was employee of the petition, Lord. He was died. And accordingly, Lordship, he was paid for compensation family pension.
How can you do that? Completely wrong. But you may have to get it. You can't do it.
This fact,
Compassion of family pension is over and above any other benefit they are paying. Can't make it conditional. Pension condition, family care, that is- the 50% limit, 70%, each concept, preliminary, responding to the allegations made in the petition, in lieu of the other, that is the 28, 28, 8,000, except for the commission. One is, it's the way that one is here, which are the house has level here. Then it's a B, but it's the level for the.
anyway,
May please, your Lord. Not Lakman, dismissal from service. Page 64. Maybe that's the book lot. I will tell you. Yeah. But I have preferred the appeal lordship without disposing the appeal lordship. DC has passed the order lordship. I have preferred the appeal before the DC, and prior to this order lordship, this I have preferred the appeal, but there is no comments in the appeal.
This is not a proper order. He is filed appeal before the deputy commissioner, but appeal is applied for the DLR, director of the record.
But it seems to be allowed.
That's in the
Actually, the order is difficult things that they just necessary. Questioning the maintenance of the
and for 2 and 3 lots. 2 and 3.
What about 7 and 8? 6. And it's the links are there. It's executed to 7 level. 4, 5, and 6. And it's the links are Lordship, interim order will be considered on the next governing basis. What will be Lordship regarding this suspension and restoration of my original permission?
This is the amount of final order.
Not possible. Doesn't not maintainable. That submission is not in accordance.
Obliged.
Matter relating to compensation appointment. The petitioner is the previous wife, and his case has been considered in 2007, approved by the district level committee, and not forwarded to the state level committee more than 16 years. The delay.
Sue for compensation, but appointment is possible. The only thing is we can decide on the date of dismissal of the rate. Imposed on them.
Lots of notice may be issued.
If notice is issued, then we'll be happy. After the dismissal, no problem.
No,
Administrative guidelines. Okay. Thank you. Matter talking to players, the numbers?
1, 2, 4, 5, 6.
What about 3?
3 मतलब targeting of 6. I can take that. I will.
All the rest of you. Yes, who's the training? I think I'll do the time. is the man?
It is a matter for of the possible that really big.
You will come up with so many yards.
Yes, possible.
We were going to get it. It's a very much to see and we will. Our something for the petition.
Here we are seeking review of 9/4/2024 order, by which 4 writ petitions were disposed of. And this present review petitioner is one of the private respondents in 3 of those writ petitions.
Where is the order, which page?
Yes, 129, search from 129. Operative portion. Fortunately, can we come to page 139? Para 12. The entire is scheduled to render based on this submission of the departmental council, which is factually and on record also incorrect. Responding to the plea raised in this writ petition, Mr. So and so has submitted his usual fairness.
Just a minute, just a minute. You are not a party in the writ petition.
Well, the party was a party, he never appeared, and the submission I made only who are the petitioners, the respondent number 2 respondents. Only. I didn't mention those ones, they never appeared.
Can you see the
The
paragraph
respondent numbers?
with respondent number 10?
Respondent number 10.
Right.
So you did not appear in the writ petition.
No, we appear. Actually. And there are 4 writ petitions of this group now. In 1148, I am respondent number 10, madam. In 4948, I am respondent number 9. In 4294, I was not made a part. And there is also one, WPC 6723, 2015. There's a common judgment.
OM dated 11/2/2020, is it under challenge? Have you challenged it?
No, but we are the respondent there.
The only court has only said fix.
No, can you see here? This step.
But what has the court said? Let's be considered.
Can you? The stand of the government is the private respondents were not appointed following a due selection process by the APS. We are not APS selected. That was the stand of the government. Based on that, this order came to be passed. There were 4 private respondents. The present review petitioner's case is distinct and different from the other 3. I will show you. That is apparent from the record. I will just take 1 minute. Can you see? Initially, there was an advertisement for 18 stipendary scholarship ranger course in forestry. 18. APSC published a select list of 44. The private respondent as well as this writ petitioner's name appeared in those 44. Subsequently, the government, by applying roster, appointed 18. Now, this present review petitioner is one of those 18 selected, along with this writ petitions. Admittedly, the remaining 3 were not appointed in the first 18. That is the distinction.
Your appearance has been. All parties are represented being posted on. Posted on 3rd September.
That's
3rd September. Take your appearance. This review petition is directed against. Four liquidations were disposed of. Here the conclusion. Having heard the submission of land council to the. Not 3/9.
3rd of September.
Covered by the similar order.
What is the idea of it? You know, to mention the name of the.
That was only for correction of that number. That is. Page 4, Malon, the pair. It should be 910 old and 750 new. In place of 752 old and 910 new. Only this should be changed.
It should be 910 new and 758 old.
Yes, man. Only that will be recorded.
That number is not mentioned. in the-
Yes, mentioned that we have subject writ petition. In writ petition, that mistake is there.
That can be corrected by ID. What can be corrected is the error in the order,
Order.
not in your petition. That can be corrected.
I don't know, Udra, that the writ petition is the matter, so that is the matter.
If the DCR and council for the applicant should leave of this report is. Correction of card number as mentioned in the petition. If there is not a good use of
The petitioner was appointed in a contractual employee with us, and that was some state control society with us. In the earlier round of litigation, my lord, he was.
This is extension. Extension, there is no need to hear you.
My lord,
Application notice very. They want notice and dismissal in the. This is a new trend now. Mr. Okay. Members. Raj Sharma. Ms. Raj Sharma. Health company. On the spot. Who's for the AIDS control? Number 4 and 5. And Mr. And this submit So Nayak, you are appearing for SC numbers 2, 4 and
4 and 5.
Okay, Mr.
Like,